Good morning, students. Welcome to your online class. This is a grammar class, and this is an important class in your class 9 grammar, that is negative and interrogative. In the last online class, we have already discussed the negatives and interrogatives of different aspects in present tense. In present tense, we have already discussed how the affirmative sentences can be changed into negatives and interrogatives. And also, I have discussed how these affirmative sentences can be changed into WH word interrogatives and yes or no interrogatives. And I have already discussed vividly the present simple, present, that means present indefinite, present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect progressive. And also, I have discussed your simple past or past indefinite and past progressive. And in that class, I have already discussed the structure of a sentences and how to these affirmative sentences to change your negative sentence and yes or no interrogative and WH words interrogative. I have already discussed and we have been understood, explained, is it? So let us discuss today how to change an affirmative sentence which is in your past perfect, and its structure will be discussed and how it will be changed into interrogatives. First, it will be changed into yes or no interrogatives. Next, WH words interrogatives and negative. Is it? Let us take some examples. You see, past perfect. First, let us take a sentence which is in affirmative format. You see, I had played football. Students, this is in affirmative format. And its structure is, subject plus had plus V3 and object is there. This is its affirmative format. This is written in affirmative structure. Okay. Let us change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentences. Students, I have already told you, whenever we change an affirmative sentence into your interrogative sentence, we have to first change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence. Let us know how to change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence first. Students, I have already told you, whenever this affirmative sentence will be changed into yes or no interrogative sentence, its first auxiliary. Its auxiliary will be put into first position. Okay? What? Let us write. Had I played football. You see, this affirmative sentence changed into your yes or no interrogative sentence. What I told you, first your what I had, then your subject, then main verb 3 and if objective is there, object will be put in last. Okay. Then this yes or no affirmative sentence will be changed into your WH words interrogative sentence. Students, I have already told you nothing will be done. Just only a single step we have to proceed to change this yes or no interrogative sentence to WH words interrogative sentence. What? You see, only a WH word will be added to this yes or no interrogative sentence. Let us change this yes or no interrogative sentence into WH words interrogative sentence with adding a WH word. Okay, you see, where had I played football. Student, you see this yes or no interrogative sentence changed into your WH words interrogative sentence. Similarly, using what? Different WH words. This sentence can be changed into different types of WH words interrogative sentences. Is it? So, this what affirmative sentence can be changed into your negative sentence. Students, this what sentence? I had played football, which is in your affirmative format. This sentence can be changed into negative sentence. Let us know how we can change this affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Students, I have already told nothing will be done, only what? A negative operator, that is not, will be added to change this negative affirmative sentence to change into negative sentence. This affirmative sentence was I had played football. I will just add not. I had not played football. You see, this sentence changed into negative sentence. Students, I told you how the affirmative sentences changed into negative yes or no interrogative and WH words interrogative, which is in past perfect aspect, and its structure is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object if object is there. Students, let us next change the sentence which will be in past perfect progressive, and its structure will be told and how it will be changed into first yes or no interrogative, next WH words interrogative, and next it will be changed into your negative sentences. Let us take some example. You see, past perfect progressive. Past perfect progressive. Students, let us take a sentence which is in affirmative format. I have already told you this is in past perfect progressive, so its structure will be I had been playing football. You see, this sentence is in your affirmative sentence, affirmative format, and its structure subject plus had plus been plus verb ing and object if object is there. Okay, students, this structure which is in past perfect progressive, it will be changed and we will know how this perfect past perfect progressive sentence will be changed into negative and interrogative and your what WH words interrogative and yes or no interrogative. This much today. Thank you all.